Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Syahari bin Abdul Rahman. My name is Sharifah Nadia binti Shah Said. Today, I would like to share three parts. First, how to create a context diagram. Second, how to create a level 0 data flow diagram. Third, how to create a flowchart by using a Microsoft Visio Software based on Ashton Fleming Case. Let's start how to create a context diagram by using Microsoft Visio Software. We use Visio apps, click basic diagram, click create. We use circle in the context diagram center. With the name as and as accounts payable. We change the color. Okay. After that, we use four square. These are purchasing, receiving, vendor, and management. We will change the color, same color. Lastly, we identify the data flow. Purchase order, purchase order come from purchasing department to SNS accounts payable. Based on this case, the purchase order used to request the goods are forward from purchasing are stored in a purchase order file. Receiving report, okay. Receiving report come from receiving department to SNS accounts payable. Based on this case, the receiving department prepares the receiving report to SNS accounts payable. Invoice, change the color. Accounts payable report. Based on this case, when vendor invoices are received, the accounts payable clerk records the amount due in the accounts payable file and files the invoices in the vendor invoice file. So the SNS accounts payable clerk will record in the account payable report to management. Change the color. Payment and remitted advice. The payment and remitted advice to vendor. Based on this case, Susan reviews the documents to ensure that they are valid payables and signs the check. She forwards the check to the vendor. The purchasing, receiving, vendor and management, these are the data sources and destinations. These symbols that are represented by circle is confirmation processes. It is a data flows. That's all. It is a context diagram.